Welcome guys back to another video on Motor Town. Today we are going to be doing some painting with the painter car green. Looks cool. Yeah, that looks good. Maybe I should change my racing stripe to black. Yeah, that will look really good. Yeah, $100 for this paint. That's fine. Now this is a car for a blob. Yeah. But there are some better cars. When editing the last video, I noticed that I completely forgot to show you some of the nice cars and stuff. But you saw some of them when I picked out the truck. But there are multiple. Anyways, today I want to do the taxi job. Okay. Hey guys, we are here. So thanks for the ride. Yep. Make about $1,000. Okay. Now let's just get a tax. Get our perch by get a taxi fare. There we go. New day. Actually, this isn't a new day. This is the afternoon. Oopsies. Okay, good morning, guys. Now it's really the morning. So, this is a single player, so I'll just walk away and stuff. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Okay. Now, what vehicle to purchase? I mean, not purchase. We're gonna do the bus job, cause no, let's do the trucking job. Also, I unlocked a new truck, but I never used it. I wanted to test it out with you guys, so it looks a bit bigger than the old one. Looks like it could hold one of those bigger box pallets. It's this one. Nope, it can't. But can it carry 2 box pallet Bs? No. Can it carry... You ordered a box pallet. Oh wait, this... I believe... Wait, is it? This for the... What? Oh, that's the box pallet. Okay. Here. Give it to you what you want. What you want it. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna worry about you. Oh, let's taxi our way back home. I hope we unlocked the level 2 trucking jobs. I guess we're gonna find out once we get in this vehicle. Nope, still 1. Well, let's go do something else with our newfound money. If we sell our car, we could buy a pickup truck, I think. But do I want the pickup truck? Yes, I do. I do want the pickup truck. Go buy a new car. Well, there are multiple cars you could buy with my current budget. Oh my god. I mean, if it sells for a lot, I might be able to buy that taxi. Which would make money getting a lot faster. No, I'm getting the truck. Sorry guys, just kinda have to. Ooh, I might want to repair it and make it at its best price. Problem is, at the same time, that'll make it may lose money, but it's fine. I love how I said I'm gonna repair it. Okay, that wasn't expensive at all. Now we just back up slowly. Make sure not to hit anything. And, how much is it worth now? I don't have enough still, but that's fine. I can still do jobs for a rental vehicle with whatever they are, company-owned vehicles. So, what could we? Box pallet. Carry. Box pallet, a small box to open. Guys, I just wanted to say I unlocked the big boy truck, which can carry lots of things, lots of cool things. Oh, there we go. We are finally going to buy our own vehicle. vehicle. I was walking the wrong way. Sorry. Okay, here it is, the pickup truck. Buy a rent car. Buy this item for $10,000. This isn't renting it, we have this vehicle. Wow. I am actually really impressed with how good this vehicle is. It's painted! Woohoo! Paint, body 1. And we darken it up a little bit. I'm just kind of looking like my old car. Okay. This is for my paint. See what parts we could give it. Maybe a new wheel. Well, front wheels, new front wheels. Ooh, those look really good. Ooh, those do too, though. Those look pretty good. That looks nice. What about this? No. Chunky. It even has those kind of wheels. Well, anyway, so let's test this vehicle out. This looks like a pretty nice vehicle now. I say we make some money. And we see what those things were at that, yeah, it's somewhere around there. But I want to do the... Oh, come on, the one that's in the... Oh, wait, that was... Never mind. Oh, that one's good, too. But now that one's good. Resident. How many? That's good enough. We'll just fill this one up with apples. Don't worry about the apples. They're fine. Don't worry. We don't talk about. Oh, why? I added apples to this thing. Now, let's see. Is there any cargo I haven't been getting? Yep, there's some cargo back here that I could have gotten. Yep. This better be something that I can actually pull. No. Those things are too large. I can't actually... I guess I have to do the carts. That's the only thing I've unlocked yet. You know what? I think I'm gonna just do something else. I think this is the good end for the video. Next episode, we will really get into the bus jobs and stuff. I will see you next time.